Welcome back to the shop, guys. I bought some stuff and we're gonna see if we can get it going. I bought this string trimmer right here because we've had some high weeds where we had all that rain and stuff. So I got the string trimmer. It's full of oak gas, needs carb cleaning. That'll probably be the first job up on the butcher block. And it came with this. I figured same problem. I figured fix it, sell it. I don't need another push mower. I did just fix this one for my mom. I still need the pulley down of the friction disc down here. It is seized up the bearings, but it actually runs pretty good. This old Kawasaki. I don't know if I can hold this good for y'all and start it, but we'll try it. But yeah, it runs pretty good. So we're gonna start with that, then on to that. But also I bought something else, guys. I bought a mini bike. I've been looking for another mini bike after selling all my toys and not being able to afford them right now because everybody's prices has been crazy. I just happened upon this one at a good price. This one runs. There'll probably be modifications to it soon to make it faster. But yeah, so let's get to that, see if we can get that going. And I think that's about it, guys. I didn't know if I told you yet, but I sold the Skag. So there's not gonna be no more Skag video on that Skag because I sold it for a profit without having to do anything. And sometimes that's what it's about, selling stuff, getting it moved so you can buy other stuff to turn around and sell and make more money. So it's about moving stuff quickly. Okay, so let's get to the weed eater. Filter looks pretty good. You know what? I think I removed the wheel off the last one I worked on like this. Remove that wheel off. Guy said he only used this about 7 times and then let it set for about a couple years. No gas in there, so no telling what inside this carburetor is going to look like. It's going to be an adventure for sure. All right. Be careful right here. There we go, right there. Oh man, I love when they fight you. trying to remember the last time I got one of these off, how I did it. If you look, it really wants to bend this choke shaft, but anyway. It's the throttle that's fighting me this time. It should usually just pop out like any other Chinese or Chonda. All right, that's off. The guy said he replaced the carburetor once on this, so probably why it's kind of a pain. I guess we go take it and put it in an ultrasonic cleaner. Gotta really get a better tripod. She's a little. Oh, that's great. Needle stuck in there. Hopefully we can get it out without it breaking. Yeah, there we go. Might have to polish up that needle seat. Good old JTC Co. mini pry bar for O-ring spoon. All right. Get the ultrasonic cleaner ready. Gotta throw this all in here. And that all off by hand. There is one more thing I do need to get off of here. This right here, I'm gonna get that idle jet out. Hold on. All right, I went ahead and took that main jet out too, and got it all in here. Stick this down in here. What do y'all say we go test out that mini bike while we're waiting on this? This got about half hour to go, so let's go test out that mini bike. Alright guys, let's go check on the carburetor. This is a little hard starting this morning. I had to spray some carburetor cleaner into the breather and then it started. I don't know what's going on, but it's about to get souped up anyway. Let's go check on the carburetor. See y'all back there. All right, that's done. I'm gonna put it back together and we'll put it on the car, back on the thing, and we'll see if it runs. So let me get this put back together and I'll see y'all out there. This carburetor mounted back on here. All nice and pretty and clean. Yep. She goes. There it is. Fuel line hooked back up. Oh. The only bad part about pulling that wheel off is when they do that. All right. Moment of truth, guys. We'll see if she'll fire. Fire. She's smoking a little bit, but that's probably from setting. Let's turn around here and knock out some weeds here real quick. Well guys, that'll do. I did see, y'all probably seen it too, I didn't put one of the air cleaner gaskets back on. I'll make another one later. But at least it runs. It's smoking a little bit, but if it's set for 2 years, it might be where I had it leaned up, putting that wheel on, or it could just, sometimes they set for 2 years after you run for a while. Sometimes the oil will get better, sometimes not. So let's hope it's a case that it will get better. Next week, it's kind of hot out here right now, or I would finish up these 2 push mowers in this video, but it's kind of hot right here, so we're gonna finish this video right here, right now. Anyway guys, trying a new style video. Anyway guys, I'm getting off of here. I'm gonna go in and cool off, and hope to see y'all Saturday for my birthday live stream, guys. It's gonna be great. Hope to see y'all there, 8 p.m. Central Time. And yeah, guys, I appreciate everybody for watching. I'll see y'all next time in the shop.